everyone, welcome back to another vlog. Today we will talk about BCCL IPO, the first main board IPO of the new year. So happy new year. Today we will talk about the shareholder quota rules, application combinations, subscription estimates for all categories, whether SHNI or a 14-lot shareholder quota is better. And this video will help you to improve your IPO strategy and also improve your probability of allotment. So without ado, let's get started. First, let's go to the basic details. The issue opens on 9th, closes on 13th, allotment is on 14th, listing was on 16th. Price band is 21 to 23. Some say it is confirmed, some say it's not confirmed, but does not matter. Lot size is 600. Minimum amount you need for retail is 13,800. SHNI is 2,07,000. BHNI is 10,07,400. The number of application reserved is 4,398 for BHNI, 2,199 for SHNI, 2,30,910 for retail. Shareholder quota 77616 and the register is K-Fund Technologies. So the first topic, approx subscription for BHNI. See, this is an assumption based on historical data. What we have done is we have taken three old IPOs, ICICI AMC, Meesho and LG. All the three had similar hype and we have taken a number of applications from that. And we know that 4398 is the number of reserved lots. If you divide by that, ICICI AMC had, based on ICICI numbers, we may get 51, 50 or 57. So if you take an average of all the three, around 53x might be the appropriate subscription in BHNI. So 1 in 53 will get 1 BHNI allotment. When I say BHNI, this is an application wise calculation. So they will get only 9,000 shares. It's already been divided by 5. So the amount wise might be 250 and above. So the average what we are estimating is around 48 to 58x plus or minus 5 if we take into consideration, where it will get 9,000 shares. Similarly, SHNI was taken the same data in ICICI AMC, Meesho and LG. The average comes up to around 183x plus or minus 170 to 210. This might change a bit here and there, maybe 150 or 170 or even more. That depends on the SHNI versus 14 lot retail what people tend to decide. But this category will be the highest subscription out of all the categories. Next, if you look at the retail, similar ICICI AMC, Meesho and LG, the average comes up to around 23x. So the expected range is around 19x to 25x is what I am guessing for retail subscription for this IPO. Next, before jumping into shareholder calculation, let's go through high level of the shareholder quota. See, there is one confusion whether last day to buy was Jan 1st or Jan 2nd. One thing I need to confirm is the RSP mentioned 2nd Jan as a reference date. This means the Coal India share must be credited to your demat by Jan 2nd. But if you buy on Jan 2nd, the settlement happens on T+1, that is on Jan 3rd, and share will be credited on 3rd. You will not be eligible. So only the investors who bought Coal India on or before 1st Jan will be eligible because the share will get credited on 2nd. If they buy on 1st also, it will get credited on 2nd. I hope this is clear. Next, possible combinations of what you can apply per PAN. Okay. See, only shareholder you can apply. Shareholder quota plus retail or BHNI or SHNI can be applied. You cannot apply BSHNI or small SHNI with retail or three combination of shareholder BHNI retail. All those things cannot be applied. Two retail applications cannot be applied. See, one thing you need to understand is you can just apply shareholder quota also. Only two applications are possible or only shareholder quota. The minimum lot allowed is 1 lot, maximum is 14. So the maximum value you can apply is 1,93,200. Anything above 14 lots will get rejected. So apply carefully. Only one PAN, one valid combination you need to apply. See, in BHNI, SHNI and retail, everything is done through lottery system. Every application has an equal chance based on subscription. Outcome will depend on the subscription level, as I said. But in shareholder quota, it's proportionate. It's not lottery based. Shares are allocated based on demand versus availability. There's a difference. The subscription rate is calculated differently. It's a total shares applied by total share offered. Let me explain through an example. See, this is an example which I have taken. First, we need to estimate how many number of shareholders are there. This is actually a public information which is available, but it may not be available till Jan 1st. It is available till September 2025. Up to September 2025, there were like 23 lakhs odd shareholders. I'm rounding off to 25 lakhs as of Jan 1st. Okay. Next is, let's take the historical data. In ICICI AMC, 25% of the shareholders participated in the shareholder quota. This is all public available information. In SDB Financial, 44% participated. To take an average, around we estimate around 30% might participate in this IPO. So the estimated applications is 30% of 25 lakh is 7,500 investors might apply in shareholder quota. Okay, and see, everyone may not apply 13 lot or 14 lot or 1 lot or 2 lot. That also based on historical numbers. We are saying that okay, on average, if you take all the 14 lots category, 6 lot comes to an average. So 7,500 applicants and an average of 6 lots will apply 600 shares because one lot is 600 shares. So if you do the math, this will come up to 270 crores. This is the number, big number, 270 crores. Okay. Next, you got it right. 60 to 600, 2,600 shares, 720,000, 36,000. Sorry, 1,600. 270 crores. Next, what is the shares reserved in the shareholder quota? We have 77,616 applications reserved. It means 7,600 into 1 lot is 600 shares. This many shares are reserved. So if you take a rough calculation and divide both, okay, it will come to 58x. So 58x might be the approximate calculation like estimates in shareholder quota. If this come down here also, maximum it may be 45 to 55 is what I'm guessing. Okay, see, let's take an assumption of 58x only. What will happen? Let's see. Now there will be multiple people applying in multiple lots. Suppose if one person applies, 1 out of 58 will be his chance. But if he applies 13 lots, his chances will be 13 out of 58, 22.4 for one probability. So 1 in 4.46 will be the chance. If you apply 14 lots, 14 out of 58. So 1 in 4.14 will be chance. So what does it say is the higher the lot, the higher the chances. This may have become 60 or 70 or 40 also. But always 14 lots will have the higher chances. If this becomes 40 or 60 also, this will not change much. I am anticipating saying that 1 in 3 to 4 or 1 in 3 to 5 will be the allocation for max shareholder 14 lot application. So what is the key takeaway? Applying 14 lot always gives the highest chances. Fewer chances, it's always based on luck, lower probability. Okay, this is different from normal categories. As I said, right, SHNI versus shareholder quota. Suppose you have 2 lakhs, whether you want to apply SHNI or a 14 lot shareholder quota. See, SHNI, higher profit potential, lower allotment chances. This may be 1 in 150. Okay, suitable if you are risk seeking and targeting a bidder update. It's like you want profit means big profit, like 1.5 lakhs, 2 lakhs profit, you can go with this. But here what will happen is, though you apply 14 lots, the higher chances is that you may get 0 or again based on whatever happens 1 lot. If you get 1 lot also, your profit will be less. So lower profit potential but higher allotment chances. Here it may be 1:4, it may be 1:50, but profit may be 1.5 lakh in SHNI, profit may be 10,000 in shareholder quota. So want higher profit but accept lower chances, SHNI. Want a higher allotment chances but lower profit, 14 lot SH. This is how it works. So choose the best option that works for you and with your capital comfort. I hope this is clear. So final thought. See, the anchor book is not out, but expectation is remain positive. Price band is almost confirmed. With the small changes also, nothing much changes. The current GMP is almost 16.5 for 23 rupees share. It's indicating 60 to 70% GMP. First IPO of the year, subscription will be huge. And just before applying, check these things. Check the positive QI, BNHI, subscription 10, whether GMP is sustained. Again, there is no major negative news impact on the market due to global issues like Trump or tariff tensions or geopolitical tensions. Those things you check. As far as possible, apply in the last day so that you can negate these kind of factors. And also what I can say is, see, for now, I have not discussed fundamentals here. Positive sentiment is driving the demand more than fundamentals here. Fundamentals, there are some positive or negative points also, but here it's a sentiment-led issues, and many people are just seeing the GMP and applying. But it looks fine. As of now, it looks fine to apply. Let's wait for the last day. So please subscribe to the channel. I'll comment if there are any major developments or many changes. Final updates, I'll try to post it on the comments here. Please do your analysis and take your call. I'm not SEBI registered, so this is just for education purpose only. I hope this video helps. Please like and share and subscribe.